Hello everyone! Here's our summative test number 1 for English grade 4 for week 1 to 3. Read each item on screen, choose your answer before the next line. Read each item carefully. Choose the letter of the correct answer. During the school fair, Marco volunteered at the book booth. First, he carried boxes of books to the booth. Next, he arranged the books neatly on the shelves. Then, he welcomed visitors. Many pupils visited the booth and bought storybooks. Later, Marco packed the unsold books. At the end of the day, he helped count the remaining books. Number 1. Who is the main character in the story? A. Pupils, B. Marco, C. Books, or D. Teachers? Number 2. Which of the following is the setting of the story? A. Library, B. Classroom, C. School fair, or D. Playground? Number 3. Which sentence is written in the third-person point of view? A. I like reading comics, B. We attended the program, C. You should arrive early, or D. She practices singing every day? Number 4. Which sequence show the correct order of events? A. 532-614, B. 352-614, C. 523-614, or D. 325164? Number 5. Which story follows a sequential plot? A. Lara woke up, ate breakfast, went to school, and attended her classes. B. Lara's story started with graduation and then showed up her first day of school. C. The story moved back and forth between Lara's childhood and present life. Or D. The ending of the story was told before the beginning. Number 6. Which word is an example of onomatopoeia? A. Clap, B. Bright, C. Careful, or D. Friendly? Number 7. Which sentence contains onomatopoeia? A. The drum went boom, B. The drum is round, C. The drum is big, or D. The drum is red? Number 8. The snake went blank through the grass. A. Shiny, B. His, C. Long, or D. Green? 9. Which sentence show alliteration? A. The boys played outside, B. Clever cats climbed carefully, C. The rain stopped suddenly, or D. We walked home? Number 10. Which pair begins with the same sound? A. Moon nap, B. Fish leaf, C. Dog pen, or D. Kite sun? Number 11. In the phrase, Peter packed purple presents, which sound is repeated? A. B, beep, C. M, beat. Next, write true if the statement shows reality and false if it shows fantasy. Number 12. A spoon danced across the table and sang a song. True or false? 13. Plants need water to grow. True or false? For number 14 to 17, complete the table using words from the word box. Number 18 to 20, write the root word of the following. 18, helpful, 19, preview, 20, assignment. Let us check. What's your score? Type in your score in our comment section below. Teachers, do you like this grade 4 English summative test number 1 that I made? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you like free copy of the grade 4 summative test number 1, complete with the answer key and table of specifications, just send me a message on my Facebook page, Teacher Jhean, and I'll be happy to share it with you. Before you go, Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow teachers, and subscribe to Teacher Jhean for more depth, aligned lesson plans, assessment worksheets, and teaching resources. Thank you so much for your support. See you in the next video. And as always, happy teaching!